Hi, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing a portrait sketch of Jordan Wiseley. So for those of you who are not familiar with Jordan Wiseley is a reality star who stars in MTV's reality competition, The Challenge. My wife and I are big fans of the show, and Jordan Wiseley is one of our favorite competitors. And as a 5-time challenge champ, Jordan is an absolute beast. So if you've seen some of my other videos, from time to time I like to do some fan art involving people that I either follow on YouTube or on reality series or even famous athletes and celebrities. So this was my chance to kind of try to capture Jordan. Jordan is a really dynamic player on the show. It's one of those competition shows where they do physical task, and also there's an element of social game. And Jordan is a master. He's a master of the physical game and the political and social game. So I wanted to try and capture him. So in this latest season of MTV's The Challenge, Battle of the Heirs, Jordan came in looking like Kratos from PlayStation's God of War, and he put on an epic performance. So I really wanted to try and capture that look that he had and the intensity. So as you can see, I'm just blocking in everything, a lot of measuring, remeasuring, erasing, redrawing. So I'm just going and double checking where things line up proportionally on the face. I want to make sure that I'm capturing, to the best of my ability, his features and where they fall on the layout of his face. And so there's a lot of erasing, checking and rechecking. I'll say that again, but stick with it. Don't get discouraged and just keep powering through it. Because if you remember, the very beginning of this looked kind of crazy, kind of lines all over the place, very, very basic. But as you continue to carve into the features of the face and the layout, the likeness will start to shine through. So keep going. Thanks for sticking around to the end. If you like this video and would like to see more video from me and more content from me, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel, and also hit that like button. I tend to get a fair amount of views on my videos, but the amount of views versus the amount of likes I get doesn't always kind of add up. So if you don't mind, hit that like button and share my content. It'll help my channel grow. And I really hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.